Sara from Omnia. Today I am gonna make zucchini pasta, also called Zoodles. It's time for lunch and I'm getting hungry, so I'm gonna make my favorite pasta. You need, of course, a zucchini. The best zucchinis to buy are the organic ones. Our zucchini had a little mishap here, as you can see. We have a bunny that's running free in our house and he found this. You just cut that off. He loves zucchini, by the way. So, then you need a peeler. Well, that's optional. I like to peel my zucchini, but you could eat the peel if you want to. And a knife, so you could cut the edges. You need a spiralizer to make the noodles. If you don't have one, you could use the peeler and make just thicker slices. Still good. It's not like noodles, but it works. I have a bowl to have it in. You need a sieve, salt, and butter. Step 1 is to boil some water. That's quite easy. You take a pot, fill it with some water, and turn on the stove. Easy peasy. While we wait for the water, we go to the zucchini. Now we should make this into noodles. I will start with cutting the edges. And since I'm just making it for one person, I only take the top off because I could save the rest. And I peel it. I don't peel the whole thing because I could use the other at another time. Now I will use the spiralizer and just make some delicious Zoodles. You see how easy this is? And I think that's enough for a portion for me. And this looks quite funny when you're done. Now you can put it in a plastic bag and keep it in your fridge. Now the water is boiling, as you can see. Then I will first take the salt and add just a tad in the water. Now I take my Zoodles and pour them in like this. I will set my timer on 2 minutes. I like my Zoodles to be, as the Italians say, al dente. Just warm and a bit soft. 2 minutes, that's enough for me. I say tops 3. Now the Zoodles are done. So we have to drain the water. I will turn off the stove, take my sieve, perfect. And here comes the part where my Zoodles becomes the best Zoodles in the world. I will take the sieve and put it on the pot. And I will let it rest here for a while. And to make it great, I put a little piece of butter on top and let it melt. While this is melting, I am preparing the rest of my meal. This is how I make my zucchini pasta. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.